Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Today I will be providing an overview of the invoice template, item number 1011. I'm glad you're joining me. Before we begin, if you like the content on this channel, please remember to like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. It would truly help support my channel. So without much further ado, let's begin. Minimal Invoice Template 1011 is an Excel application that I created and can be found in my Beyond Paper Etsy storefront. You can find the link to this template in the description. This invoice template allows you to automate your invoice process. The features and benefits of this template are: it automatically inputs data to the data table, it names and saves PDFs directly to your workbook path, you can send a fully automated email via Outlook, plus it has auto data population to save you time. It also has an optional discount feature, and lastly, it has a refresh button. You can automatically save your data to the table by pressing this button. It enables you to add your invoice information to the data table. This saves you time since you do not have to enter the data manually. All the columns have been filled out, like this, and you get additional columns to keep track of your invoices. An additional feature of this table is that it comes pre-highlighted for rows that do not have the pay drop-down selection, so you can quickly check invoices that are outstanding. Once you select the pay drop-down, the rows are highlighted. By pressing the Save to PDF button, you can save your workbook. It automatically titles the workbook to the path folder name. I recommend you name the folder your company name so that the invoice file is also named with your company. But you can name the folder anything you want. Additionally, the invoice number is added to the name of the file. Another feature that helps you save time is the Send Email button. This button allows you to generate an Outlook email automatically. When you press this button, an email is created. The email of your contact and the subject are automatically inserted. Plus, the body of the email is generated to reflect the due date. You have the option of adding a signature or not. Additionally, a PDF copy of the invoice is attached for your convenience. This last button allows you to refresh the screen quickly. Let's say you want to create a new invoice, you can simply press this button and it clears the data quickly so that you can start a brand new invoice. This invoice template also automatically adds data to select fields. You can add the bill to information by selecting the person or company name. If you enter the item number, you get the service and cost. I am using data from a bridal photography service, but you can easily change the data to reflect the services that you offer. There's also a discount option. If you want to give a discount to some accounts, you can do so discreetly. So my voice may sound a little different since I recorded this part after I completed the video. The reason for this is that I wanted to add an additional feature that I felt was missing. This feature is the Send Reminder button. On occasion, some of your clients may not reply to your first invoice email, and we have to send them a reminder. This is a tedious task which takes more time than we would like. So I added a button that allows you to send multiple emails at the same time. For example, on this list, we have 4 accounts that have invoices that are unpaid. I only want to send a reminder to 3 of the accounts, so all I have to do is select yes in the email column. Once I press the button, 3 emails are generated. One to Anne, another to Mark, and the last one to Beverly. So that is the bonus feature. I hope you like it. This was an overview of the automated Excel invoice template, item number 1011. A link to this item can be found in the description. I also offer customization options. You can email me via Etsy for more information. I hope you like this overview. See you soon. Bye.